The difference between a term policy and a whole life policy is a term policy is going to be a specific set of years. Maybe it's 10, 15, 20, 30 years that policy will be in force for you. If something should happen to you in that time frame, then your beneficiary would get the benefit from that, the death benefit. In a whole life policy, you would pay for it for the rest of your life. But when that time comes when you pass, your beneficiary will get that. So with a term policy, let's say it's a 30-year policy, and that's a great policy because they're typically a little less expensive, and you can get a higher benefit amount. So if you wanted $500,000 of life insurance, then you could get that for a very reasonable amount for a 30-year period of time. But if you're 20 years old, you're probably not going to pass by the time you're 50, hopefully. But if you do, your beneficiary will get that $500,000. But if you live to 55 years old, that policy, actually 51, that policy is no longer in effect for you. Where a whole life policy, it doesn't matter when you pass, you will be able to, the beneficiary will get that. But we work through that process with you, determine what's the best option for you. Maybe it's a combination of both to get you through till that time. Because the reality is, none of us get out of this game we call life alive.